got
Alright, I'm just gonna switch devices.
That's what we're doing. We're gonna go on some of the rides, so come with us on the ride.
We went to
Now I'ma tell the world, tell them, I'ma tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell them, yeah, I'm a billboard.
I really like this one, my video. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. You've done Instagram Melika Skylife in the building. Yo! King Skylife in the building. King Skylife in the building. Yo! What of them? Guys, welcome to the vlog. I know you haven't seen me in a long time. But we're at Coral Cliffs now. And we came out for a little date night, you know, with my niggas. Guys, please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. We're at Coral Cliffs. This is on the bottom road in Montego Bay. And we can't get water. There's another check. On the bottom road in Jamaica, in Montego Bay. I'm really thirsty right now. I'm gonna get something to drink. I'm gonna get something to drink. Watch how Jesus speaks as if he keep over. A baby takes over. Let me see your next. My next device, look. I know I haven't vlogged in a while, but I've been busy with my business and with school. Which quality look better?
You know which quality look better. Some more to know what kind of
This more? This more up.
You know, oh, but this is poor. This red thing is poor.
Alright, I'm just gonna switch devices. We're gonna go on some of the games. We're gonna go on some of the games, the rides and stuff. Upstairs you have gambling, a casino and a restaurant. We're not gonna gamble. We don't gamble here. But yeah, it's pretty dope. From morning we've been washing and cleaning and stuff like that. It's Good Friday. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna go on some of the rides, so come with us on the ride. Guys, I just went to get some water. I was very, very thirsty and stuff. Remember, choose. Come on, choose that. And first the gas is cement. Select. I like it. Okay. You ready? It's like you're driving, okay, Kim? You're driving. Go, Kim, go. Go, Kim, go. You have to stay on track. What is? parking. Oh, wait. Record our front of this one. Record our road. Press it down. Next one, next one, pause. I'm telling you, open. Alright, go on. Let's see what I just bumped the two up. I'm gonna try that. I'm trying to first step on. We can't bother with it. Okay, how about that? No. Stephanie, I'm gonna bring it from. Yes, yes, yes. Who's the part of the party? Embarrassing. Part of the party. On the far right way, I go. You're ready for the road. You have to reach the checkpoint then, so hurry up. Let's get too long to reach the checkpoint, hurry up. So one boy don't listen, that means control. Try to look off the road. Yes, yes. 39 out of 40. No. Try to link up far. Go by the car now, go by the car now. Next one.
Long ago, your body used to be perfect. But then, everything changed when puberty attacked. Belly fat, back roll, stretch marks, cellulite. Only the Belly Gone, master of all 4 elements, could stop them. And now that the world needs to burn fat the most, I believe Belly Gone will change the world.